Di naman, pamilya pa. Sport pa.
Very good.
Teka lang. Fighting.
So since you're done, let's do a random manner. Who will be the first? Group 3. Kindly listen. Wait, tell first your signature. So our designated word is imperative. Knock.
Who's there?
Imperative.
Imperative. Who?
Tinetect ka na inisip, gawin mo live. Inis ka na inisip, buo ang lasa. Kasama, yan ang gusto namin lahat. Gawin mo imperative life. Gawin mo imperative life. Gawin mo life. Okay. Group 1. Okay, the designated word to us is declarative. Okay, knock.
Who's there?
Declarative.
Declarative. Who? 1, 2, 3, go. I declarative. In love, I was deceived by love. I ever had my love with love before.
Yeah. Second to the last, group 4.
Let's do this. Gumaling.
Here.
Whoa. Gumaling. The designated for the exclamatory. Knock knock. Who's there? Exclamatory. Exclamatory. Who? If I let you go, I will never know what my life could be. Exclamatory. Will I ever see you smiling back at me? Oh yes. How will I know? Exclamatory.
And last but not the least, group 3, imperative. Group 2, interrogative. The designated word for the group 2 is the interrogative. Okay.
Knock knock. Who's there? Interrogative. Interrogative. Who? Don't laugh at us. 5, 6, 7, 8. You must have nobody. You must have nobody. I can never love you in a minute. Not if I do this in a minute. Baby, you must not know about me. You must not know about me. I can never love you by tomorrow. Don't you ever for a second get to
yourself a what we call Mami Junisha class.
Very good, very good.
And another class for your active and lively presentation. 5 grammar class. Very good. So since you're all good in singing and in the melody harmony of the tune, I'm looking forward that all of these students will be a singer someday. Okay, declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory are what we call sentences, or the kind of sentences according to purpose. So the first kind of sentences according to purpose is declarative. Declarative is simply defined as Mr. Agustin read.
Declarative. Declares a fact and is period. Example, Brad created a job staff. She is so optimistic.
So declarative declares a fact and ends with a period. So declarative sentences only end in a period. The next is interrogative. According to the book, interrogative is yes, Miss May.
Interrogative. Sentence that asks questions. Example, where are you and can I help you?
So by this example, all of this ends with a question mark. So interrogative, when you hear interrogative, it is simply the question. Do you understand?
Yes.
The next is imperative. Imperative gives command or request, ends with exclamation or period. So based on your past lesson, imperative is or always ends with a period, but sometimes it can also end with exclamation point. So example, one word example.
Put this on where your best is.
So later I will give this. And the last kind of sentences according to purpose. This book.
Exclamatory. Expresses strong feelings and exclamation point. Example, you cut your fingers. Wow, amazing. Okay.
So exclamatory expresses a strong feeling, ends with exclamation point. So interrogative ends with question mark, while exclamatory, from the word exclamatory, it ends with exclamation point. Okay. I will call someone that can define and give examples in your opinion. Miss Lam. Can you define interrogative and give examples here?
Interrogative is a kind of sentence that ends with a question mark and asks a question. And an example is, where are you going?
Another example.
Who's there?
Very good. Miss Peña. Exclamatory, define and give examples.
Exclamatory, it's a kind of sentence or information where you can express your strong feelings or yeah. Example. Oh my gosh, the big room.
So how do you identify this exclamatory?
It ends with an exclamation.
Very good. What of time did I compare Miss Salome?
Supported with the Give me my pen.
So, determine the word that proves that it is imperative or it is a matter.
Because I mentioned that to you. Because of the word give.
Yes, very good, Miss Kai. So, command, it can be determined by using give me a favor, and etc. So, who can give commands or the variety of commands that can repeat that the sentence is imperative? Aside from please and do me a favor. What word we did use? Yes, very good. Could you have something to do with imperative? Because by using could you, it proves that you are giving a request or command. So, like in the library situation, so some librarians are requesting you to be quiet. So she or he is telling you to please quiet. So she is using please. So interrogative. You want to give example? But define it first. Mr. Ian. Can you define interrogative and give example? Yes, very good. This one is the final part of your sentence. What point did you use? Question mark. Very good. Look at the board. By using the phrase, I therefore conclude that, generalize what is our task for today. Another hand. Is dubio.
I therefore conclude that kinds of sentences according to purpose are declarative, interrogative, exclamatory, and imperative. Declarative declares a fact. Interrogative sentences ask questions. Imperative gives command or request. And exclamatory which express an instruction.
I will give one example. Not big.
Imperative. Please bring me ice. Please give me a glass of water.
And imperative. Or declarative rather. Example. You will sit down.